Have you ever wondered why so many smart people put their money in real estate? It is not just about buying lands and houses. There are 6 powerful aims behind every real estate investment, and today I'm going to be breaking them down for you, one after the other. So let's go. The first aim is cash flow. This simply means rental income that keeps cash coming into your pocket or bank account every month. And number 2 is capital appreciation. This simply means that the land or house you bought today could be worth a lot more in the future. Number 3 is leverage. Real estate allows you to use other people's money like bank loans to buy real estate and grow your wealth faster. And number 4 is tax advantage. This number 4 is actually dependent on your location. This simply means that you can enjoy bank breaks, deductions, and incentives that reduces how much you pay to the government. Number 5 is one that everybody is conversant with. It's the hedge against inflation, so that your money will not be devalued. All right. This is actually very true, and everybody seems to know this. This simply means that as the cost of living goes up, property value and rentals also goes up. This helps you to be able to maintain your purchasing power. And then the last on the list is real estate gives you control over a tangible asset, which is your property, because it is tangible, it is physical, and it's something you see and feel. Unlike some other assets class like stocks and bonds, you can manage or resell your property as you like. Those are the 6 aims of real estate: cash flow, appreciation, leverage, tax advantage, inflation hedge, and control. Those are the reasons why real estate remains one of the greatest tools for creating and holding lasting wealth. If you found this helpful, do not forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with someone you think might be interested in investing in genuine real estate. And if you're ready to start your real estate journey, contact the details on the description below. Let's talk. We'll hold you by the hands and help you to make the very best of informed decision. My name is Joy. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Bye.